Hey Tando, I need to arrange for your medical testing to finalize your life cover. The more we know about you, the more cover you could qualify for.
What will happen to my medical records?
Well, Siswami, Old Mutual keeps them confidential.
Get medically tested and you could qualify for more life cover.
It is going to be powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. And as you can hear, there is no sound yet generator, which means the power is back. That means also that is one of the last few videos that we shot. Today, it's a big day today. Mamelodi Sundowns announcing coach Miguel Cardoso from Portugal was coaching Esperance de Tunis, which knocked out Mamelodi Sundowns in the CAF Champions League earlier on this year in April, in the 20th of April this year. Is now a Sundowns coach because he was fired from Esperance de Tunis. A lot of these movements as well are about clubs that are going to the Club World Cup and coaches who helped clubs to get to the Club World Cup. Rulani Mukwena helped Sundowns to get to the Club World Cup. When he was fired, he had to look for another club that's going to the Club World Cup. Fortunately, he found Wydad Casablanca who were going to the Club World Cup, and hopefully he can stay the 6 months between now and June. Now, Miguel Cardoso uyincedile i-Esperance de Tunis yangena ku-Club World Cup. Baxabana ke ngokweziphumo manje ubhekile ukuthi which other club can I coach because I deserve to go to the Club World Cup. I kind of feel for these coaches that you can't help these teams get to the finals or win the Champions League, qualify for the Club World Cup, and then you get fired, and then someone who didn't do anything can go to the Club World Cup as well. That's the context as well that exists. Bobo, thank you very much for joining us on such short notice. You were willing and looking forward to talk about this. It's a big move by your club. Ukudonsa uManqoba Mncithe bamkhiphe futhi bamchitha kwiqembu ngoba kasalanga abe manager or in. He's no longer part of the club. Help us react, sir, to what has happened to Sundowns.
Kuleko unjani futhi?
Yes, sir. Nice to see you.
Hayi no ngiyajabula Nkuleko. Ithi ngibulise uJusto.
Justa.
Hola. Nkuleko. Kunzima prayami akekho umuntu obekayilindele lento esibone yenzeke ecenjini eMamelodi Sundowns. So okokuqala sometimes kubaleka kakhulu ukuthi you must respect ama decision we management. But ezinye zezinto uma ungasibheka Nkuleko, I think we are going back to kuleya Sundowns la khona u president athenga khona iSundowns 2004 if ngenzi phutha. From 2004 until kuyofika isikhathi, I think sa coach 2012. Good that period, I think it's plus or minus 9 coaches iSundowns yabachange. The only coach Otaki, I think it was coach Trot ngaleso sikhathi umuntu wethu, because abo Igasin, abo Lopez bonke nje baningi, coach Niskins, Stoichkov, Gamond, you understand, baningi, you can name them ku that period. Then kufike la khona baphelelwa umsebenzi up until sathola coach Pitso Msimani la khona wabuilda i-team esibona namhlanje. Omunye umuntu angayibona ku simple coach Sundowns. It's not easy because ukuhlanganisa equality igcine ikunikeza ama results akumani kube lula ngale ndlela, you understand. So mina after coach Pitso afika Sundowns Nkuleko angikhumbuli Sundowns icoachwa Ingamla, you understand. iSundowns beyicoachwa abantu abamnyama. Noma ungabheka labantu labo
South African coaches.
Exactly, ama South African coach ibeke nje ibe lula. Then bonke labantu labo ungabheka iSundowns ukuphuma kwakhe ucoach Pitso kwasebenza abo coach laba basebenza naye, you understand. It's only coach Steve nakhona mangikhumbula kahle naye wamrecommenda as ucoach ongathi mhlambe kuhamba kwakhe eEgypt angahlanqeda i-team efana neMamelodi Sundowns, you understand. But mina ngibona yes ngiyawa respect ama decision Nkuleko we management, but kuzoba nzima manje because ngibona isikhathi esirong ahambe ngaso ucoach Manqoba, because akusisikhathi esiright bheka manje udlala ama group stages we CAF Champions League.
Only 2 matches.
Only 2 matches uthrowile kuphela, you understand. So I don't think ungamjudge ngale match. Phela remember kuSundowns this season uluza ama match awu4. 2 home and away yeStellenbosch. Then igame final yamaGesi. Then kube le game yePolokwane City. So I don't think bokuyisikhathi esiright ukuthi angahamba because naye ucoach uMiguel usafuna ukuqala phansi naye. Afuni first 11 yakhe, and then coach Manqoba bekanganayo first 11 mawungabheka kahle beka sayisesha. So it's difficult the more uqala usesha i-first 11 unikeza amanye amaqembu ukuthi we understand iPirates yaqhubeka yadlala because bona bane combination right. So angimjudge ukuthi angeke enze kahle ucoach ngiyamsupport njengoba
you never know,
we understand angafika mhlawumbe afike enze izinto zibe ngenye indlela asazi but ngendlela sibona ngayo ngakhona mina ngibona bekungasi isikhathi esiright for mina ukuthi ucoach Manqoba ngahamba. Yes, abanye bangasho ukuthi yes siyamfavor njengoba besifavor ucoach Rulani. I like ama South African coaches wena Nkuleko. That is why bengithize mina uma ngabe akenzi kahle bengajabula uma ngabe bengithola ucoach ofana noPitso back kuma Mamelodi Sundowns or coach Rulani back because bengibona ukuthi yini into abayenzayo and kwamanje ungizwe kahle angimjudge ucoach ucoach Miguel Cardoso angimjudge but ngibona lesikhathi ucoach Manqoba hambe ngaso akusisikhathi esiright Nkuleko because siya compete ngapha ku Betway ngapha kumele sidlale i-Champions League i-team yahamba kumele kube nama preparation ye-Club World Cup, you understand. So I think mina man kuzoba nzima manje so far mina ngendlela ngibona ngakhona kuzoba nzima because usafuna thola ama combination and some of the players abanye bebangadlali abanye bebadlala abanye babuya kuzoba nzima for yena ukuthi aphumena le first 11 ngoba uma ngabe siyothi ucoach Manqoba simjudge ngalama game adlale wona kusho ukuthi nayo unikwa ama game amancane.
Yeah, that's my thinking as well, that okay, now that you accept that Sundowns management is going back to their old ways, it means you're going to have a new coach every season. That means if a coach loses 4 matches in maybe in a month or 2 months, then they're going to have to be fired. And that's not the right way to go.
That's not the right way Nkuleko. I understand ukuthi big teams operate like this ukuthi bakutshela contract yakho ukuthi sometimes sifuna none. So uyazi angeke ngicede interview ngingakhulumanga ngale qembu elifana neChiefs. Siyogcina sifana neChiefs. Siyochange abo coach now and then. Because bona yes, we understand aba change abo coach because izinto zami.
They've been searching. It's been a poor 10 years for them.
You
guys have been successful in the last 12 years.
Yes, ngiya understand ukuthi okay, sifuna ama big fish. So njengoba sifuna big fish ngiyacabanga ukuthi sometimes kuba patient kubaleka kakhulu and uyabona ukufika kwaka ulo
Miguel Cardoso.
No. Sporting director uFlemingberg. Ku change into eziningi manje. Mawungabheka ku change into eziningi kufika kwa Flemingberg.
Bekathi njengoba bekakhuluma ku press conference uthi it's not my final decision.
Usho njalo.
Ukuqasha abaqeqeshi nokubaxosha is not my final decision. But I know that every Sundowns fan is starting to point at him now.
No, angisho sibona izinto kufika kwakhe izinto ziyachange. I'm not saying umuntu ofana no sporting director Flemingberg kukhona mhlambe engathi no, we respect ama decision wabo ungizwe kahle Nkuleko, we respect sesiyasho ukuthi ukufika kwakhe sibona ama changes ayenzeka kuma Mamelodi Sundowns and kusho kona ukuthi lama changes naye uinvolve kulawo ma changes because ukufika kwakhe sibona ama changes la besingacabanga ukuthi angayenzeka kuma Mamelodi Sundowns, you understand. Besingacabanga ukuthi singavuka namhlanje bathi ucoach Manqoba akasekho kuma Mamelodi Sundowns umdlalo umuntu ofana no coach Fohloza uhambile kuma Mamelodi Sundowns. Goalkeeper coach umuntu obaleka kakhulu
Wendell, I don't know what happened with Wendell Robinson. I don't know why they would fire him. I can understand Manqoba because yena no Fohloza. Fohloza came because of Manqoba Mngqethi. Yes. It's almost like it was his preferred assistant coach. I can understand those two. But Wendell Robinson is part of Sundowns since Pitso Mosimane. It was part of Sundowns under Manqoba and Rulani. And I feel so sad for him to leave. I know that they were giving him even bigger responsibilities. But Unokbona, Manganabadlalu, he's the one giving instructions tactically as well. It was more than just a goalkeeper coach. So I feel so sad for him as well. But at least you were able to retain Ukena Dimwene no coach Steve Komphela.
Yeah, because coach Steve ngiyacabanga ukuposition yakhe le mhlambe ngimazi ayiyo as a senior coach, you understand. Enye into elimazayo Nkuleko kulesikhathi samanje that modern football ilama position amaningi kuma technical team. This thing iya affect team because the more siba nabantu abaningi sibanikeza ama positions, create those positions kule technical team. Remember ukuthi Nkuleko uzofuna ukudlala yakhe indima, ubobu ufuna ukudlala yakhe indima, not just this. And uthola ukuthi omunye umadlala leyo rule iaffecta umsebenzi omunye umuntu at the end of the day. Siyavuma okay senza izinto zibe lula but bheka nabadlali bethu bagcina bafuna ukoperate njengama robot because sifuna operator ukuthi kumele adlale kanjani. At the end of the day he's the one okumele adlale ibhola egroundini. So ama position amaningi aye ngathi asinikeze problem when it comes to kuma technical team because we create even nama unnecessary position ukuya ngami ukuthi kumele ukuthi umuntu ezazosebenza and ubone ukuthi umsebenzi walomuntu la ayibonakala. It's like lento yama coaches. Mina I think coach akabe head coach Nkuleko then kube ne assistant yakhe so that if izinto azambi kahle sazi ukuthi head coach is the one okumele athathe responsibility, you understand. But masithi siyabheka ezinye zezinto mani I modern football mani islimazele.
Just to summarize what I'm picking up from you, you're not happy with what's happening.
Yeah, definitely. I'm not happy, but at the end of the day, I have to support a decision your management. But I'm not happy nge-supporter le-Sundowns ukuthi bengingabona le nto yenzeka. Ngibona ngathi isikhathi besingafika ukuthi kungenzeka the way. But at the end of the day, we have to ukuthi respect our decision about it.
I asked everyone this question. What does it do to the picture of ama competitions the Sundowns adlala kiwo? What does this appointment do to Pirates Nagwe League? Does it give them a better chance perhaps of competing against you in the league because the new coach has to search for his team? What does it do for a Champions League? I was already not convinced that you were going to win the Champions League. I said it this past weekend as well, that you don't look like a team that can win the Champions League for now. You're not dominant. Maybe you could have won it randomly, and Chiefs of final randomly, not what you deserve it. What does it do for you in the league, in the Betway Premiership against the Pirates? What does it do with Champions League?
I think it will depend ukuthi ucoach Cardoso uyofika kanjani kuleya technical team azoyithola lapha, especially umuntu ofana no coach coach Steve no coach Kennedy, because if azofika lapha afuna ama advice right ku coach Steve, ngiyacabanga bangaba ne direction right, but uma angafika yena afuna ukuthi yena is the head coach uzoyenza lento kumele ukuthi ayenze, angifuni ukutshela manga kuzoba nzima ukuthi sicompete la eligini. Yes, we do have quality players that can compete for title ye Betway, but uma ngabe usafuna ukusesha i-first 11 the dressing room yakhe ingahlalisekanga kahle, ngiyacabanga ngasinikeza inkinga. But if azofuna azovuma ama-assistant wakhe, especially abafana nabo coach Steve babe khona bamncede, ngiyacabanga uzoba nendlela yokuthi akhona ukusebenza for this season. So ukungena lapho kulento le ngiyibona uma ngabe azovuma ukuthi basebenzisane anikeze abo Steve
to leave two people behind.
Yeah, understand. Then it's whereby ngahle ngithi no ngibona izinto sase right, but uma ngafuna ukwenza lento enafuna ukuyenza kuzoba nenkinga nkuleko. Singa end up asithole sikwenye position la ku Betway naku direct ku Champions League sisithole sikwenye position, because now we only left with 4 games.
Yeah.
2 sizoyidlala ekhaya, I think 2 sizoyidlala away. So angeke kube lula for yena, angeke kube lula, but ku the whole family yemasandawana ama support Sundowns wonke aphelele nkuleko ngithi mina support coach. Ayikho into ekumele ukuthi ama support Sundowns ayenze. Into ekumele bayenze is to support the coach. The technical team lena i-management decide ukuthi hiyo ekumele ukuthi ithathe team iqhubekele phambili. Akukho kunye amanzi machithekile. We move forward. Coach Rolane beka khona wahamba no coach Pitso beka khona wahamba. So now into ekumele ukuthi yenzeke ku Sundowns ukuthi let's support i-coach ekhona njengamanje uDaden Miguel Cardoso asimsupporteni bafowethu kube umqeqeshi esimthembayo esingama Sundowns ukuthi he can take the team going forward. I think lokho ngasebenzela singama Sundowns.
All right, what's your final word to the management? How do they get Sundowns back to being one of the most feared teams in Africa? My fear as well, it's actually funny if you think about it. You were the best team in Africa in my opinion in 2023. That means you were building. Pitso bekanokushaya kuma quarterfinal, then wayewina futhi. And then Rolani was able to consistently get to semi-final. Even this year as well was a semi-final. Nabamba ne AFL. You were the most feared team in Africa. Whenever they face Sundowns, they were fearful of you. Now what's funny, it's comical of course, is that you have taken yourselves where you were and you are nikaulela banya basezans. You are meeting them halfway ezans. What's your message to your board, your leadership at Sundowns? Everyone who's involved there in terms of taking you back to one of the best teams in Africa. What must they do from now? Of course, they have this coach now. Would you want them to keep this coach for as long as possible? What should they change to help Sundowns go back to one of the best teams in Africa?
Yeah, I think okokuqala bona lokho abakwenzile njengoba usho Nkuleko ukuthi balanda ucoach ofana no Cardoso. Ngiyacabanga bona bayibone kuyinto right, but mina into engayisho ku management ukuthi kumele bamnikeze i-chance. Because angeke uMiguel manje afike azoyenza ama changes. You remember coach Pitso kumthethe isikhathi singanganani ukuthi agcina bena le team lena noma ngabe ngibana hleze couchini ngakhona ukuyicoach. So naye lo thing isikhathi, because this thing is not like yodlala imrabaraba uyofika manje ufike udlale nomuntu one on one idlale. Kufuneka into eziningi eteamini, kufuna ubuild, we understand the team ube ne-winning combination yakho usho ukuthi no mina ngine-winning combination. So uma ngabe naye lo bazombekela isikhathi ukuthi if he fails to win this uyahamba, if a failure lokhu uyahamba, so uyobuyela back to kubona iskins. delayed sorry umqeqeshi ofana no Niskins no Stoichkov siyobuyela kulesa simo lesa remember ukuthi bekunzima ukuthi uthole that winning combination besinama quality players besayina abadlali abafana nabo Peter Ndlovu besayina noma ngabe ngibani umdlali mhlawumbe simbona ngathi we understand but imanagement uma ngabe ifuna ukuthi sigcine sibuyela lapha kuleya Sundowns esiyaziyo ngiyacabanga kumele abo coaches banikeze isikhathi singamani sithi mhlawumbe yocoacha lokhu naloko ahluleke simhambise udinga isikhathi ucoach abuild team sazi ukuthi sine team esolid you understand esaziyo ukuthi nanoma ngabe ngibani angafika take over buka le team ukuthi since coach Pitso ahambile kusithethe isikhathi singakanani but njengoba usho simitha abantu halfway siloko siyehla after coach Rulana ahambile siyehla look at now ukuthi sikuphi manje sikhona nokuthi silingane nePirate ngama point you understand ngalesa sikhathi bekumele ngabe mhlambe manje is 8 out of 8 you understand ngabe mhlambe kuma semi-finals where I think siyongena kuma group stages
you are always guaranteed semi-finals
we understand so mina ilento engayisho ku management man ukuthi sometimes coach abamnikeze isikhathi sibone ukuthi yini into asiphathele yona but uma bangambekeli isikhathi nama game kuzoba nenkinga kakhulu because siyohlala sichange abo coach njalo and kungasinikezi imiphumela right.
All right, there you are. Thank you very much, Bobo, for coming through. Yeah, it was short notice for everybody, but yeah, Junior was here, Tso was here, Lindo Pep was here, Bongani Mnisi, aka Bobo, was here as well. We hope you enjoy all of these conversations, and of course, you can start your own conversation. There's nothing much we can say about what will happen tomorrow because we're not there yet, but we'll see. It will unfold. We'll see Sundowns and how they play tomorrow and the day after that and the day after that. It is Times was for betting. Thank you for watching us.